Hey plant lovers, today we're diving into the world of cane begonias with a truly bold and elegant variety, the Lynda Dawn Begonia. With its glossy dark green leaves, deep crimson undersides, and striking red stems, this plant is a standout in any indoor or outdoor garden. Did you know that cane begonias, like the Lynda Dawn Begonia, get their name from their upright, bamboo-like stems? These plants naturally grow tall and can even be trained to cascade or climb, making them incredibly versatile for both pots and hanging baskets. The angel wing begonia group was first cultivated in the 1920s by hybridizing South American begonia species, particularly from Brazil. The Lynda Dawn Begonia is a modern variety admired for its textured foliage and bold coloration. Thanks to its resilience and stunning looks, it has become a popular choice for houseplant enthusiasts and shade gardeners alike. The Lynda Dawn Begonia is a spectacular cane begonia with glossy, dark green leaves, each adorned with raised tiny dots, adding texture and dimension to its foliage. The backs of leaves boast a rich crimson hue, creating a dramatic contrast against the dark green tops and deep red stems. This combination makes one of the most striking houseplants, perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any space. To keep your Lynda Dawn Begonia thriving, here's what you need. It prefers bright, indirect light. Too much direct sun can scorch its leaves, while too little may reduce its vibrant colors. Use a well-draining mix with peat, perlite, and compost to keep its roots healthy. Keep the soil slightly moist but not soggy. Water when the top inch of the soil feels dry. It thrives in temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, loves high humidity, so misting or a pebble tray can help. Feed with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks during the growing season to promote the lush foliage and blooming. Trim leggy stems to maintain a bushy, compact shape. Deadheading spent flowers encourages more blooms. For a beautiful plant arrangement, consider pairing the Lynda Dawn Begonia with ferns, caletheas, marantas, and hoistas. The Lynda Dawn Begonia is known for its upright cane-like growth, meaning it can be trained to grow tall or trailed depending on how it's pruned. Another unique trait, with the right care, this begonia can bloom multiple times a year, producing delicate clusters of pink to coral flowers that enhance its visual appeal. This plant isn't just about good looks. The Lynda Dawn Begonia makes a great indoor decorative plant, patio and balcony plant, or air purifying plant. And that's everything you need to know about the angel wing Lynda Dawn Begonia. With its stunning foliage, easy care, and year-round beauty, this plant is a must-have for any begonia lover. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more plant care tips. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.